Hey, welcome to Art of Beauty. My name is Judy Carrasco. I am the healthy hair speaker and the creator of Art of Beauty products. I am coming just to welcome you to our store, welcome you to our product line. We know you'll find everything that you'll need for your scalp health and for your hair health. I created Art of Beauty products right in the midst of the pandemic. Mind you, I've always been into hair care, 16 years licensed as a cosmetologist and a hair loss practitioner for the past 4 years. And I am a big advocate for healthy hair and scalp, as well as ingredients that are not going to compromise your health, but is going to help to enhance your beauty, enhance your hair, and help you to love and treat your hair much better. So with these products, you're going to find everything you're going to need for your scalp care. If you're suffering with dry scalp, our scalp therapy kit is perfect for you. That comes with your shampoo, your conditioner, your scalp therapy refresher spray and drops, along with our newly added product, our scalp scrubbing brush. It's silicone based, antimicrobial, and the great thing about it is the bristles pop out so you can clean and sanitize your brush, and you just pop that back in and proceed to shampoo your hair for the next service. This is a great tool to use to also detangle your hair. Also, you can use it to stimulate your scalp when you're shampooing for hair growth. So our products are all in kits or individually. Online, you will find everything you're going to need, from your scalp therapy kits to your hydration kit. The hydration kit is for those who are dealing with some very dehydrated hair. If you have been going through product after product and you find that your hair is still dry, try our hydration therapy kit that comes with our deep conditioning cap. It also comes with our deep conditioning conditioner that helps to penetrate further into the hair, creating a seam environment in order for your hair to be nice and healthy and receive all the nutrients from the conditioner. Also too, if you're someone who does a lot of styling, I want to introduce you our heat styling kit. The styling kit is amazing for those of you who flat iron or blow dry your hair a lot. It's great because it's heat protection in every product that's in that kit. Also too, it helps to protect from flat ironing and also from the UV rays of the sun. Most people don't know that the UV rays of the sun actually can cause harm to your hair. So our heat styling kit includes our Composure Thermal Mist, which is our detangling spray, heat protection, blow dry lotion. It helps with roller setting as well. It gives the hair so much body and volume. You would spray this in the hair while the hair is wet. It's great before you blow dry. We also include in that heat styling kit our Preserve Serum, which is an anti-humidity serum, perfect for those silk outs, perfect for those silk presses, perfect for flat ironing because it's anti-frizz and it's heat protection as well too. So this is like SPF for your hair, ladies, before you flat iron or before you blow dry. And then you finish it off after you styled the hair or before you flat iron. You can also use our Illuminate Shine Mist, which is like a veil that goes over your hair and just gives your hair a added shine, and it protects the hair from the UV rays of the sun. So why is the UV rays of the sun so dangerous to our hair? Well, the UV rays of the sun can also lighten your hair, strip your hair of its natural color, and then also too, it can dry the hair. So think of this heat styling kit as your SPF for your hair. And you can find all these products on our website, artofbeautyproducts.com. Follow us on Instagram. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that bell so that way you can get all of our goodies and all of our information. Take care.